Have you ever thought about growing lavender indoors from seeds? It's a delightful endeavor that immerses you in a world of delicate fragrance and lush purple hues. The journey begins with choosing the right seeds. There's a variety of lavender types out there, but English lavender stands out for indoor growth due to its compact size and enticing aroma. Equally important is selecting suitable containers with good drainage. Remember, English lavender is a popular choice for indoor cultivation, and well-draining soil is crucial for your lavender's growth. Now that you've chosen your seeds and containers, let's move on to the planting process. Fill your chosen containers with the pre-mixed potting soil, leaving around ½ inch of space from the top. Lightly moisten the soil before you gently sprinkle your lavender seeds over the surface. Remember, these seeds are tiny and need light to germinate, so just press them into the soil without covering them completely. Now let's talk about sunlight. Lavender loves it, requiring a solid 6 to 8 hours a day. If you can't provide that naturally, don't worry, a grow light will do the trick. Maintaining the right moisture levels is crucial. The soil should be consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's best to water from the bottom. Once your seedlings appear, switch to a gentle spray bottle for watering. Finally, good air circulation is key to prevent fungal diseases. A simple fan can help maintain this essential airflow. Keeping the soil consistently moist and ensuring good air circulation will set your lavender seeds on the right path to germination. Once your seeds have sprouted into sturdy seedlings, it's time for the next steps. The young lavender plants will soon be ready for transplantation, a delicate process that requires gentle handling to avoid damaging the roots. Choose a larger container with good drainage and carefully nestle your seedlings into a welcoming bed of well-draining soil. Now, lavender isn't a greedy plant. It doesn't require heavy fertilization. Treating your lavender to a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season will suffice. Just remember to dilute it to half strength. Pruning is another key step. Regularly pinching off the top growth when seedlings reach a height of 3 to 4 inches promotes branching and helps maintain the plant's shape. Finally, the moment of reward. Harvesting. Once your plants mature, you can start collecting lavender leaves and flowers. Cut the stems just above a set of leaves and let them dry in a warm, ventilated area. With regular pruning and the right care, you can enjoy the sight and scent of your very own indoor lavender plants. Growing lavender indoors from seeds is a delightful project that brings a bit of nature into your home. It all starts with choosing high-quality seeds and suitable containers. The journey continues with careful planting, providing adequate light, maintaining moisture levels, and ensuring good air circulation. Once your seedlings are robust enough, they can be transplanted, fertilized, and pruned to encourage bushier growth. And finally, the reward for your patience and care, harvesting your very own lavender. With patience, care, and a love for gardening, you can successfully grow lavender indoors from seeds and enjoy its beauty and fragrance all year round. Share your thoughts on today's video. Subscribe for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching.